everyone, good morning. So, yung topic natin today is all about eschatology. Ano ba yung eschatology? Eschatology is the study of last things, God's plan for the future, including Christ's return, the final judgment, and the renewal of all things. Well, some approach the future is with fear. The Bible teaches us that God's sovereignty extends to the end of the history. For believers, eschatology is not about speculations about Christ who will return, but justice will prevent and God's kingdom will fully realize. So, yung verse natin for today is patungkol sa Revelation 21:1-4. At ang sabi dito sa Revelation, basahin natin. Then I saw a new heaven and new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth had passed away, and there was no longer any sea. I saw the holy Christ, the Jerusalem, coming down out of the heaven from God's, prepared as a bride beautifully dressed for the husband. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, "Look, God's dwelling place among people, and He will dwell with them. And they will be His people, and God Himself will be with them and be their God." At ang sabi pa dito ay ang eschatology. Yan. So, at the end, magkakaroon ng kaayusan. At mararanasan natin yon. Ngayon pa lang makikita mo yon kung ang viewpoint mo is God is sovereignty in control in the future. Or, kumbaga parang sabi dito, hindi na magkakaroon God. Sabi dito, di ba? He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death or more. No pain, crying. The old order of things has passed away. So, the common denominator that we have is God control the future. Merong iba't ibang viewpoint about yan. But, as an optimistic persons, merong mga optimistic persons, merong mga negative persons na nakikita about the future. Pero, si Christ, ang target niya mapaganda ang mundo. God controls the future. Jesus will return in glory. Ang pangako ng Biblia na si Kristo babalik muli. Na minsan siyang nangako sa atin at tutuparin niya yun. Jesus return in glory. Sa muling pagbabalik niya, lahat ng mga tao mananampalataya sa Kanya or believers niya ay muli niyang bubuhayin ulit yun. At doon magkakaroon ng seal in God's control of life na ang hawak niya. Kumbaga hindi na tayo hawak ng kasalanan, hawak niya na tayo. And hindi tayo yung fear not but trust God in the future. Huwag kang mag-worry sa bukas kasi yung worry na yun, yung bukas na yun, dapat wala sa iyo yan eh. If you really trust God. So, God control the future. And live with eschatological purpose. Lahat ng mga bagay is sa buhay natin eschatological. Kahit mismo yung pag-aasawa na someday yung like to Jesus Christ and the church, the wife of Christ, is yung goal is restorations of all things. Same din sa pag-aasawa na balang araw or yung relationship, lahat yan magkakaroon ng restorations with your relationship. Kahit nga bilang doctor yung eschatological thing yan. Why? Kasi darating in the future na wala na tayong sakit, wala nang pain. And as a lawyer, ang trabaho ng lawyer is eschatological also, na someday justice will prevail. So hope that this verse nakatulong sa atin to. So God controls the future, Jesus will in the glory, creation will restored. And fear not, but trust God for the future. Live with eschatological purpose and hope in Christ's return. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.